Fighting against threats to natives, enraged students and women vendors of Khwaramban Market burst into intense agitations against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Political rendezvous. Mass Front political party convenes meeting against Citizenship Amendment Bill at GM Hall. Party demands special assembly session. Pacification over contentious CA Bill 2016. BJP Manipur Pradesh assures to always side with the will and sentiments of the public. Declare the result. All Manipur DPC completed candidate of Manipur Rifles Male 2016 batch storms Chief Minister's bungalow demanding result declaration. Age issues. Non-teaching and clerical staffs of RIMS condemn recruitment of candidates under 45 years of age for RIMS accounts officer and section officer posts. And meeting the Chief Minister, over 1,760 people attend the year's first combined CM's People Day and Hill Leaders Day, seeking solutions to various concerns. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Reshmi Laishram with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Enraged students and women vendors of Khwaramban Market burst into intense agitations against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 this morning. Many students from various schools of Imphal city rallied towards Khwaramban Market, chanting various slogans condemning the bill. Police resorted to firing smoke bombs and lathi charge to scatter the enraged protesters. Scuffles broke out as protesting students were joined by women vendors of the market in chanting slogans against the bill for over half an hour at Shamomakong. Protesting students along with women vendors again rallied towards Kangla to take out the protests along the national highways. However, police foiled their efforts in front of Johnstone Higher Secondary School. The situation became very tense with police snatching banners, carrying slogans against Citizenship Amendment Bill from the protesters, and even lathi charged the protesters and fired smoke bombs. Protesting students also retaliated by pelting stones towards the police. The commotion brought on heavy traffic jam in and around Khwaramban Market, bringing immense inconveniences to passers-by. Massive police force rushed at the spot and finally managed to contain the situation. Sporadic agitations continue in the state against the Citizenship Amendment Bill. Volunteers of Committee of Civil Society Kanglai Park shut down Purairomba Market in Palace Compound, Imphal East District and staged a protest meet along with vendors of the market against the bill today. Speaking on the sidelines, CCSK President Jitendra Ningomba said, if the bill is ever passed in the Rajya Sabha and enacted into an act, Manipur will not be far from seeking autonomy status from India. Stating that the bill poses major threat to natives of northeast states, Jitendra demanded approval of Manipur People Bill 2018 before Citizenship Amendment Bill is introduced in the Rajya Sabha. Meanwhile, students of CC Higher Secondary School took out protests against implementation of Citizenship Amendment Bill if it is ever passed in the Parliament. Scuffles ensued between the protesters and the police, due to which Palace Compound to Raj Bhavan Road was blocked for some hours. Police resorted to firing of tear gas shells to contain the situation, and the protesting students retaliated by pelting stones at the police personnel.
1980s dagi AIMSU amadi AIMS kokna singba mairoi mayam amana indigenous people si mang ki godore khogi innerline payment system ama sembiu foreigner implement tawraga mitok miya cha sing si lokthok kadabini na lokduna lakpa yamna kanba iho hokraba matungda the protection of Manipur people bill haina ma pass tokre anti tribal bill ni haidana yadra matungda community wise namak se amato ina punsilaga the Manipur people bill 2018 na hoki ba chahida Manipur assembly na pass to bikraba adu bill aduna na taiduna ngasi bawo thambire haraga 1955 the Indian Citizen Act haina leikiba podaduna hanna amendment tawraga tarelak subo ina hokiba January ki tanga nipan da akhoi nongna Lok Sabha da pass to ki baiba se akhoi Manipur se mutkhrsno haiba chamane
Mapi Council Nongpok Laingak Apunba Nupilup in a press release strongly condemned the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 as a total disregard to the people of the Northeast states. Mass Front Political Party, a conglomerate of 9 political parties, convened a major meeting against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 at GM Hall today. The 9 political parties, CPI, CPIM, RSP, Forward Bloc, NCP, AAP, Praja, JDS and BSP demanded to convene a special assembly session to take decisions against implementation of the bill in the state. Attendants of the meeting tried to take out a protest rally from GM Hall till Governor's Bungalow to submit a memorandum against the bill. However, a team of police led by Imphal West Additional SP Operation Thokjom Krishna Tombi foiled the rally at Kangla Western Gate, ensuing scuffles between the enraged protesters and the police team. The discontented protesters finally returned at GM Hall. Speaking to media, Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council Dr. Moirangthem Nara termed the assurances of the Chief Minister and BJP Manipur Pradesh regarding the bill as mere pacification of the public instead of taking real actions. He asked, how can a bill passed in the parliament can ever be prevented from being implemented in the state? Dr. Nara alleged the BJP of trying to create a vote bank by passing the bill in view of the upcoming Lok Sabha election.
अखोना पामेसे बिल से विड्रॉ तौबा लोइनना मदुगी दमकता मणिपुर की असेंबली थूना कौबा प्रजा की पेन द पुनमक से असेंबली दे नैनरगा रिकमेंडेशन मदुदी बिल से विड्रॉ तौबियो हाइबा डिमांड से असेंबली दगी चलन बि कैसु तौरोय सिदी एक्शन न ओलो असेंबली द कौरो असेंबली द वारेब लो अदोरगा दि प्रजा हजब लाकपे याय विड्रॉ तौबे से दरकार ओयबा करम तौना 2001 की सीज फायर बियॉन्ड टेरिटोरियल लिमिट मदुना पुरखिबा काय तो पुनमक्तुगी करमाय इंगदगीगेबा बिल दो चन्नबदु चन्नररोय हाइरो मतम इंगिबा नत्रो चाप मानन सिगी सिचुएशन सितु लेगने वोट बैंक की पॉलिटिक्स नि तौरिसी पार्लियामेंट की इलेक्शन में आदा हिंदू वोट फंगनबा कम्युनल ओइबा एजेंडा मनी दैट वी 9 parties do not agree.
6 student organizations of the state, namely AMSU, MSF, DESAM, KSA, SUK and AIMS have decided to meet against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 on January 20. Speaking to media at AIMS head office in Kwakot Hill today, representative of the 6 organizations, AMSU President Manjit Sarangtham declared to continue agitating until the bill is withdrawn. He demanded political parties to take real actions against the bill instead of giving press releases. Manjit also urged students' wing of national parties in the state to take course of actions as per the interests of the people. He invited everyone to attend the public meeting. Speaking to media, AIMS advisor Longjam Abothe strongly condemned state police for suppressing the protesters against the bill.
Manipur Miam na koi tuan ba mayna pai bi loop sing civil khunai gi tuan ba lamdam sigi artist sing lamdam sigi sport person sing lamdam sigi mipum khudemung na thola kanda men bill gi mak te koi khongjung chungchin minaduna koi apan ba collective effort mo utpagi matam du yori
loinana ngasi khwairamal ima kaithel marak phauna akhoi gi mahiroi sing tongan me school sing dagi school gi phizon setpa mahiroi sing na citizenship amendment bin bu yaning de aduga lenga ki chap saba phireb law tho haina sanction ba mahiroi sing da sathagi pha state forcing gi ka hen ba thong madu condemn tawi.
All Manipur United Club organizations in a press release informed that street corner meetings were held against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 today at Patsoi Bazaar, Nauremthong Bazaar and Tera Bazaar of Imphal West. BJP Manipur Pradesh has declared its stance to always side with the will and sentiments of the public. The party also assured that centre is putting all-out efforts to clear the apprehensions of the public. Speaking to media at BJP office in Kanchipur today, BJP spokesperson C.H. Bijoy reminded that former Assam Chief Minister and Congress leader Tarun Gogoi, who is currently voicing against Citizenship Amendment Bill, once passed a similar bill in the state cabinet in 2011 during his reign as the Assam Chief Minister and submitted a memorandum to the then Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh not to treat Bengali Hindus, Christians and Buddhists residing in Bangladesh as foreigners upon their entry in Assam. Bijoy mocked the Congress party of being double standard for its inconsistent opinions.
Tarun Gogoi masamak Citizen Amendment Bill against mana ngangi mayam Manipur Congress na MPC na ngangi mayam masina takpadi Congress any issue that citizen ate si instance ma ka itan sare puthok chabani makhoi si double standard oiba na tana moigi nature je makut nama na mi ma torture taraga atopa nama mana thembagi type ising pithapagi habit culture che masibu ne khoi na Congress culture saruk ma lauri che Manipur da khoi chingmi tami harji sigi manung da nusinadriba awai khum tawnoriba karim kana su khana chena ba thoyo punamak se sigi root cause di Congress maru puno muthat pai se masi yamna Manipur gi interest tangai phade.
Convener Legal Department of BJP Manipur Pradesh Saugam Nongpuk Nganba assured that there is no direct conflict between Citizenship Amendment Bill and Manipur People Bill 2018. He clarified that the yet to be passed in the Parliament Citizenship Amendment Bill cannot dilute to the yet to be approved Manipur People's Bill 2018. He said, as per provisions of Manipur People Bill 2018, the bill will regulate entry of a non-Manipuri in Manipur even if the person is an Indian citizen. He assured that Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 cannot supersede Manipur People Bill 2018 when enacted into acts.
Native akoi Manipur da leiba akoi native including Maitai Pangan adagi leiba akoi Chingmi Chinau Singh aduga Shell Castle Chanbiraba Chinau Singh si khakti ne ba loina 1951 dagi hana digi lerakpa haiba matata panjari ba community sing je chandaba haiba tare 1951 dagi lerakpa mo sing khaktabu ne akoi na Manipuri hari je atai di loina non Manipuri ne ba non Manipur sida Bangladesh te bulao Afghanistan te bulao Pakistan te bulao foreign te bulao atopa leba Western Europe te bulao hari ba sing loina non Manipuri ne ba hojik laiba issue na hariba non Manipur sing citizen ola kana di akoi de changpa ya na ai akoi na thamjani na bill masamak na citizen phaw changba thingi hai.
Meanwhile, MLA School T.H. Satyabrata took charge as the new General Secretary of Administration of BJP Manipur Pradesh today. The induction ceremony was held at BJP office in Kanchipur. Speaking to media, MLA T.H. Satyabrata assured to deliver his best to strengthen the party. It may be mentioned that Party President K.S.H. Babhananda issued an order on January 13 to appoint MLA T.H. Satyabrata as a Party General Secretary, following appointment of the former Party General Secretary K. Sarat Kumar as Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited.
Ado party asina lusingran hojik Manipur da paibi de sarkar sigi miyang idong da hena phaba thabak tawna hona da khoi nakande angamba pangjaba chenjaba chongjaba ado marui ba khoi target ti marui laiba lok sabha election sida khoi puthokate candidacy kahan da ya de hai pandam amda khoi changsan jarakuni ado makha ta ba laihori ba thaba ingang si ya ma hoina chatpiramba amadi party senior singna takpir khoi matungina mai pakna phajana changsin na hona jage.
Around 100 candidates of All Manipur DPC completed candidate of Manipur Rifles Male 2016 batch stormed Chief Minister's bungalow this afternoon. Police resorted to lathi charge in order to disperse the agitating candidates. Later, few representatives of the batch were permitted to meet Chief Minister Nongthoma Bireng. Before storming the CM's bungalow, the candidates gathered in front of TG Higher Secondary School, chanting various slogans to demand for immediate result declaration of the batch. A police team led by OC Imphal West Commando paced ahead and foiled the agitators in front of CM bungalow. Some members of the batch who already possessed tokens to meet the Chief Minister in relation to Miyamgi Numit were allowed to meet the Chief Minister. Non-teaching employees and clerical staffs of RIMS went on cease work strike by shutting down A block of the institute this morning. Protesters staged sit-in in front of RIMS A block against yesterday's notification issued by Deputy Director of RIMS K. Daungil seeking applicants from those less than 45 years of age for filling up the vacant posts of account officer and section officer accounts of RIMS on contract basis. Speaking to media, General Secretary of Non-Teaching Employees Welfare Association T.H. Babu urged the relevant authority to recruit only those above 45 years for the posts. The protesters also condemned the non-fulfillment of the Charter of Demand submitted to the director to instate L. Ibemhal as Administrative Officer of the College of Nursing RIMS. No resolution could be brought between the director and the protesters during the meeting held this afternoon.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯤ ꯑꯦ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯛ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯇꯧꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯦ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯍꯥꯞꯄ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯐꯔ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯄꯣꯁꯇꯤꯡ ꯄꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯝ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯁꯣꯛꯆꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣ ꯄꯤ ꯇꯤ ꯊꯤꯡꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣ ꯇꯤ ꯊꯤꯡꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯃꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯦꯞꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯛꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯗ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯛꯅꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯕꯥꯏ ꯆꯥꯟꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯇ ꯀꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯀꯩꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕꯁꯨ ꯂꯩ.
The first combined Chief Minister's People's Day and Hills Leaders' Day for the new year was held in the Darbar Hall of Chief Minister's Secretariat today. Over 1,760 people raised their grievances to Chief Minister Nongthom Biren on the occasion. The Chief Minister listened attentively to the people and instructed officials of the relevant departments to take of necessary measures for their concerns. People attending the event lauded the present government for initiating such programs where they can personally raise their grievances to the Chief Minister.
Society में लेजे society इसी की इसी का social forestry farming cooperative society है ना तो अकोई society इसी ना अकोई forest की लंबी ओइबा अदुगा उहोदबा मजागा दु अकोई ना उयुंग पांबी लिसिंग ट्रांग मामुक थारे ट्रांग वासे हुजी पपुंग मरी फादन तीन योग पे यारा कांदा forest ना जो कोई दा जिकी इंडिया गवर्नमेंट की सने रिवेस इस दा कितने नुआई तब लेबा
चुचानपुर दे लाखपनी कोई की लम ये खरा प्रॉब्लम लेबा कोई की लम से एनक्रोच तो बे ओबाल कक्चिंग अदो लो सी पार एरिया दो अदो मीन एनक्रोच तो रगा पता नंबर का स्लोइन उन्थो करे कोई डीसी का दा है रेसु कैसु काना दरे ना कोई डायरेक्ट ऑनरेबल सीएम दा खरे रिक्वेस्ट हो जगे है लाखपने ऑनरेबल सीएम का उनब चांस फंगबसी मी मयाम की यामना गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी ने द ट्रेडे मी कोई चिंगतम मयाम लोइना थामद मी नुमिदम स्केड्यूल तोरगा ई उनबसी इट्स अ वेरी right step in the right direction. I think कोई मणिपुर की नमकती it's a very good development and we are very happy about it.
Chief Minister's People's Day was also held at IB More Police today. Leaders of various civil society organizations and Maira Paibis raised their grievances to SDPO More Police, Sandeep Gopal Das and his team of police officers. In-depth discussions on various issues were held between the civilians and the police team. Kontha Ahalup Social Welfare Club has blocked Sangakpham to Ahanlup Road in Haingang constituency against non-maintenance of the road today. Protesters expressed discontentment despite apprising the Chief Minister on the condition of the road by Secretary of the Kontha Ahalup Social Welfare Club A. Rakesh in the beginning of last year. No measures are taken till date. They warned of intense agitations if the road is not repaired within this month. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on ban on imports of liquor, including beer from Myanmar. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Moreh Police and 43rd Assam Rifle have imposed total ban on imports of liquors, including beer from Myanmar. As part of this initiative, a combined team of top officials of Moreh Police and 43rd Assam Rifle seized liquors and beers from shops near Moreh Police Station yesterday. The seized liquors, worth around 93,000 rupees, were destroyed by cursing them with a JCB. As part of the security measures taken ahead of Republic Day, Police Commando Team, under the supervision of Additional SP Operation Imphal West, Police T.H. Krishna Tombi carried out cordon and search operations at Kakhulong and Maharani Bridge near Masjid Road from 7:45 to 8:30 this morning. Altogether, 275 individuals were verified during the drive, out of which 8 individuals without proper identification proofs were picked up and handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Combing operations were also carried out in and around Bishnupur District Headquarters under the supervision of SP Bishnupur District, Hobson Sapam today. Individuals without proper identification proofs were picked up during the door-to-door operation by Bishnupur Police for further investigation. Top officials of Assam Rifles and Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah held an in-depth discussion on the current law and order situation of the state yesterday. Major General K.P. Singh, YSM Inspector General Assam Rifles, accompanied by President of Assam Rifles Wives Welfare Association Rachna Singh, called on the Governor and discussed the security and law order situation of the state and assured of Assam Rifles' commitment to working towards bringing lasting peace in the region. Five-day educational outreach program called Program for Scientifically Inspired Leadership 2019 was launched at Don Bosco School, Chingmerong today with an aim to impart skills required for a successful life. Assistant Director of Undergraduate Studies, Harvard University, Dr. Dominic Mao, is the Program Director of PSIL. The program aims to expose students and teachers of the state to simulation of the educational environment of Harvard University, its teaching techniques and methodology. Harvard undergraduate students and 60 students of the state registered for the program will interact and carry out various activities during the 5-day program approved by Harvard South Asian Institute. Speaking on the sidelines, Dr. Dominic Mao said the training session provides a platform for students of Harvard University and high school students of Manipur to exchange ideas and experiences.
I hope the 3 groups of students, Satra group ahum, Harvard ki Satra ne, adagi akoi gi Manipur gi college number Satra sing ne, college number Satra sing je Manipur dagi oza oining was Satra ngakta ni ko, they are going to enter the job market oza oinaba very soon, the makoi ga, and then the last group of students are high school students, Satra je akoi na registered tauri je 60 students ko, those 3 groups of students makoi na they are going to learn from each other this 5 days. So that is my hope for the program.
5-day film appreciation course kicked off at the Department of Mass Communication, Manipur University today. The department launched the course in collaboration with Film and Television Institute of India, Pune. Renowned film critic R.K. Bidur, EMM RC Director Professor S. Dibon Kumar, Vice Chancellor in charge of Manipur University Professor Amar Yumnam, FTII Director Bhupendra Kainthola and eminent filmmaker Haubam Paban Kumar graced the inaugural event. Speaking on the occasion, R.K. Bidur stated that one needs to appreciate films to understand the art of films. He said, inability to appreciate the potential of a film and its varied aspects will hinder in becoming successful in other related fields like direction, cinematography and script writing.
Yes, for example, script writing itself, if one intend to know all these things now, they will take at least 1 year, 3 years, because it is a vast subject. So many subjects are there in the filmmaking, in the film industry. So in 5 days, what you will learn? I couldn't imagine.
In the inaugural event, FTII Director Bhupendra Kainthola stressed the need to hold in-depth discourse on films to promote films of the state. He asserted that the film appreciation course is a must for film enthusiasts. Pankaj Saxena and Munish Bhardwaj are co-directors of the film course, participated by 64 candidates, including 2 candidates from Assam.
One has to have a perspective. It is not that you just go to a cinema hall, you pay money, you watch a film, you come out with a judgment that the film was useless or the film was very good. But why was it good or why was it bad? That understanding you must have. So when you walk out of a cinema hall, you must know why you didn't like the film.
5-day district-level Handloom Expo began at Wangkai Kaithel Asangbi, Naharol Sintha Kanglup ground. Imphal East today. Weavers Service Centre, Porampad and National Handloom Development Corporation Limited, the Ministry of Textiles Greater Noida jointly organized the expo, sponsored by Office of the Development Commissioner for Handloom, the Ministry of Textiles, New Delhi. Speaking in the opening ceremony, Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Yumnam Khemchan asserted that handloom and handicraft industry occupy a significant place in the economy of the state. He stressed the need to promote handloom and handicraft products of the state.
handloom gisu phajana pion sajaba leiragasu adi sarkar gi department amade handloom gi department ogera aduda ogera chatpada confidence leijadaba fisabi mayam amasu leibuni na masi field visit tai koi director da hangjabada su field visit si Imphal West gi mayang phan site gi phajana hore hanasu hobudi lei ainu takbi masi phajana gyan taminaraga self confidence ama establish tawragadi handloom ji hena sapat kani habigai wakhal leijai.
Manipur State Cooperative Union organized one-day state-level seminar on the theme Role of Cooperative Credit Institutions and Sustainable Development and Growth today. The seminar, sponsored by National Cooperative Union of India, was held at Lamyanba Shanglen Palace Compound. Speaking on the occasion, President of Manipur State Cooperative Unions, L. Tompishak, said the seminar was organized to discuss on ways to improve cooperative movement in various sectors registered in the cooperative society in Manipur.
Cooperative Thawai Yaujariba, cooperator Shinda, Asigumbai Kogi institution, Kayada, Kona, cooperative role Silo Nabidamuta, training cap Piduna, seminar cap Piduna Koibu, Hena Bab Halaga, Hena Sakotpa, cooperative movement number Pornabida, youth Wero, Al Adikogi, women Wero, Hariba, putting machine is a quick cushion Naraga, Manipur, Hena Sakotpa, Semilon Hena Paganamba. Ada cooperative thaudang kaya lomi narga ekoi pun cooperative se hingminasi sakominasi haipa pandam dak asiga sigumlaba seminar se pangthok cheri.
Proprietor of BJ Garments Kundrakpam U DJ has expressed satisfaction at the success of 4 months tailoring and cutting training course of the state government launched with an aim to generate jobs for women. Speaking to media at BJ Garments today, the Jain stated the tailoring center was established with 20 women employees who were trained under the scheme. Women employees of BJ Garments stated that the trainings provided by the government enabled them to earn their livelihood.
huzi pokidi kari gumba amata phangdre khoi sarkar na kai gumba amta pibidre akhoi na huzi haizari badi pibiyu akhoi gi mateng ju pangbiyu matung da ju akhoi ju yamna thabak suba ngamjabo oijage khoi hanadi thabak subam leiram dabdo huzikti thabak subang amme training je yaru badagi di sumaina government ne pibirak badagi di akhoi ju training do yaujare adu ngamme hujikti training loiramni na thabak suba yaure paisa thoe imungi puba ngamjare.
New Public Higher Secondary School Khangabok in Thoubal District held its 21st Foundation Day today. Meritorious students of the school who scored high marks in High School Living Certificate Examination 2018 were felicitated on the occasion. Students and teachers of the school and people in the area attended the event. Sky Hospital will host a week-long free heart surgery camp for children for the first time in Northeast states from March 3 to 9 this year. Speaking to media at the Sky Hospital in Rims Road, Chairman of the hospital, Dr. L. Shamkisor, stated that the camp will be organized by Healing Little Hearts, United Kingdom, Manipur Heart Foundation and Sky Hospital. He added that an expert team comprising of 14 individuals from United Kingdom will be coming to attend the camp. Dr. Shamkisor urged all heart patients who haven't attained the age of 18 from below poverty line family and economically weaker sections to register in the hospital within January 16 at 9 a.m.
Angang si line na habitu neba angang si unfortunately ma je heart hole le den pongla ga hingoi doi neba duna abstracts to haijare any patient with bad heart defect neba ka gi below the age of 18 it is irrespective of family income like busu ina kon busu de haitare caste creed religion yaw religion laitre anuga geographical boundaries laitre.
Laishang Hidden Protection and Development Authority has banned improper use of resources at Laishang Hidden for secondary purposes. Speaking to media, founder settler of the authority, LC Romesh, said efforts are on to convert Laishang Hidden Kiamgai into a heritage site. He asserted that it is integral to preserve the site which in existence since the reign of Laishang Hanba 33 AD. He appreciated Chief Minister Nongthom Biren for assuring to renovate Laishang Hidden during the death anniversary observance of Maharaj Gambhir Singh. He appealed to carry out the works without further delay.
Puadiga sagunadana laklaba sigum Laishang Hidden sidaida indigenous oiba nga makal sing mari lenaba department sing tanaraga khoi thu matamda thadaba hauragani jaga sidaida akoina luna na thamna hona jarakliba yang wana usar mayam thadana honarakliba sidaida akhoi amolakai toksan basing poi choptana dagi akhoi insingdana lang thaktana torok basing adu loinana water tank ki kayama kak tawdi sing chingdana akhoi masa masai kana naba commercial oiba mongda sinabasing khudaktagi akhoi athing baje thamjare nagumana hari basing si tawbiba taragadi authority na lupa lising manga gi oiba fine sing kelagani aba.
71% voters turned up in 5 polling stations in yesterday's election for member of 2 Chaton District Council constituency, Tamenglong Autonomous District Council. Counting of votes will be held at DC Complex, Tamenglong headquarters on January 21st. A newly constructed office of Northeast India Development Party NEIDP Cycle Block Kangpokpi District was inaugurated by the President of NEIDP Manipur State Unit, Dokhomang Khongsai today. Speaking on the sidelines, Dokhomang Khongsai said NEIDP is an unbiased one out of the emerging major regional parties. He said NEIDP opened its branch offices in Sanapati, Churchandpur, Kangpokpi and various hill districts of Manipur. One-day awareness cum orientation program on constitutional and statutory rights of the scheduled tribes was held in a multi-purpose hall of DC Complex, Kangpokpi District yesterday. Manipur State Commission for the Scheduled Tribes and District Administration Kangpokpi jointly organized the awareness program. Training program for assembly level trainers and district nodal officers in relation to the upcoming Lok Sabha election was also held on the occasion. Commandant of 182 Battalion BSF Koirengai and Daiho Mao has distributed 13 solar lamps to villages, local clubs and organizations of Moirangpurel, Rishipung, Leishipung, Maphaukuki, Nongdam Tangkul Island and Tamukhong villages under Lamlai police station today. Commandant Daiho Mao also interacted with the villagers at the distribution ceremony held at counter-insurgency post Moirangpurel. The villagers thanked BSF for their kind gesture and the commandant assured of further assistance and the BSF Civic Action Program even in the future. Ten Sector Assam Rifles Somsai Battalion organized a free medical camp exclusively for women at Pungcham village in Ukhrul district yesterday. Around 300 women were checked up during the camp. Kangleipak Kanbalub, Manipur, in a press release informed that a social service drive will be held at the 4th Sanglen Khwaramban Temporary Market on January 17 on the eve of Imoinu Day. KKL urged concerned organizations to be on time for the social service. Now the sports news. The 27th annual Sports Cum Literary Meet kicked off at Nungsai Chiru in Kangpopi district today. Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, L. Radhakishore opened the meet organized by Nungai Chiru Youth Welfare Organization by performing traditional lighting ceremony of Chiru community. Around 200 students divided into 4 houses took part in various sports, literary and cultural-based competitions. Speaking on the occasion, L. Radhakishore reminded that forefathers have bestowed lands and rich traditions to the present generation. He urged everyone not to waste away the rich heritage by indulging in intoxication. A football match between Rangam team and Rangsai team was played on the opening day of the meet.
Art and culture ki maikaida ekoi ki lon mayek jati asibu phachana ekoi halaman singa thambiramina puari da ngasi fawada ekoi na thokcharaga atopa ngasagi nisagi parta drugs da masigi opium war se chatragadi ekoi nungsibu khangakti mapa mama khangakti mazati khangakti masa masagi importance do masa si khangjarakti heba maram masina ekoi masi thingsi haragadi ekoi sports da sangshin ma changi.
Manipur beat Assam by 2 points in the Kho-Kho event of Khelo India Youth Games held at Pune this morning. Manipur has entered semi-final of under-17 girls football match against Odisha after being defeated by Jharkhand 4-0. Meanwhile, Karnataka defeated Manipur 2-1 in the under-21 boys football match. Manipur Wrestling Association in a press release informed that selection trial will be held at Kumalampak SAG Hall on 28 January for selecting players to participate in the 38 Junior Boys Freestyle, Greco-Roman and 21st Women Junior National Wrestling Championship to be held in Surat, Gujarat from February 1 to 4 and the 38 Sub-Junior Boys Freestyle Greco-Roman Style and 22nd Girls Sub-Junior National Wrestling Championship 2019 to be held in Cuttack, Odisha from February 17 to 20. Interested candidates may get details further from the association before January 20. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Fighting against threats to natives, enraged students and women vendors of Khwaramban Market burst into intense agitations against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Political rendezvous, Mass Front political party convenes meeting against Citizenship Amendment Bill at GM Hall. Party demands special assembly session. Pacification of a contentious CA Bill 2016, BJP Manipur Pradesh assures to always side with the will and sentiments of the public. Declare the result to all Manipur DPC completed candidate of Manipur Rifles Male 2016 badge storms Chief Minister's bungalow demanding result declaration. Age issues, non-teaching and clerical staffs of RIMS condemn recruitment of candidates under 45 years of age for RIMS accounts officer and section officer posts. And meeting the Chief Minister, over 1,760 people attend the year's first combined CM's People Day and Hill Leaders Day, seeking solutions to various concerns.